Unlocking the mystery, out of one's league. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversation. Out of one's league. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into cultural nuances. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Out of one's league is a phrase that suggests something or someone is too good or too advanced for another person to attain or be involved with. Originally related to sports leagues, where teams are grouped based on their ability levels, this phrase has transcended its literal meaning. When used in a social context, it implies that the person or thing one is interested in is considered to be at a higher level of attractiveness, social status, or ability than oneself, making them seem unreachable. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from dating to job applications. For example, if someone says, "I can't ask her out. She's out of my league," it means they believe that person is too attractive, popular, or otherwise superior to be interested in them. Similarly, when applied to a job, saying, "That position is out of my league," suggests the job is too advanced or requires more experience than the speaker currently has. Let's look at some sentences to see how this phrase can be naturally incorporated into conversation. "I thought about applying to that prestigious university, but it's out of my league. He's so talented and skilled. I feel like he's out of my league when we play basketball together. She didn't think she had a chance with him because she considered him out of her league." Understanding phrases like "out of one's league" not only helps you grasp the language better but also aids in comprehending the cultural and emotional nuances of English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to step out of your comfort zone. After all, nothing is truly out of your league with the right effort and attitude. See you in the next video.